Hey, how you doing?
Hey, good. How are you?
Good, good. Hey, do you think that you can make this logo as a sticker?
Let me make it bigger. Yeah, we can do that. We can do that.
Oh, perfect. So how I'm gonna do I send it to your email or?
Yeah, here. Just take my card and just send it to the email, and it takes 72 hours to make it. So once you get after 3 days, just come back and you can pick it up.
All right. So I just send the
just send it to
actual
the email.
logo.
Actual logo to the email, and we'll put it on some stickers for you. You can check it out, see if you like it.
All right, good. Do I have to pay now?
No. Pay when you pick up.
Okay. All right. Appreciate
All right,
it.
cool. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
I'm the one that requests the stickers.
The stickers? Oh, yeah. I think I remember you.
Tony West DIY stickers.
Tony West. Okay, let me find them. Hold on 1 second. Oh, okay, yeah, I found them. And your total is $2.37.
Really? That's it?
That's it.
Can't wait. Let's see. That's it. Are these? Tough. Welcome to Tony West DIY vlog. ¿Qué es la que hay? And if you're new to the channel, my name is West. And if you don't know what the channel is about, it's DIYs, especially of my Acura RSX 2003 and the 1994 RX-7 FD. Please don't leave without smashing the like button, subscribe to the channel, and remember to press the bell button for notifications. If you don't know how to subscribe to the channel, you can go to my channel and press the red button that says subscribe, and the bell button is next to it. And you can do that also if you click down below the logo where it says Tony West DIY. Click there and it will take you to the subscribe area. You can also watch different videos that I post. You just click on this rectangle and you'll be on it. So today I'm gonna give you guys an update of last week episode. I'm gonna answer a couple questions, and what else? I'm gonna give an update on what is going on. Germany was been terrible. It's been hard to make new content. I'm doing my best, so it's gonna be a couple DIYs coming up, especially for the RSX. And I just got, these are the RX-7 spark plugs wires, the NGK. So I'm gonna be putting these as well. But without wasting time, let's start with the show. The last video I mentioned the YouTube requirements. I said that I needed 1,000 subscribers, or I need 4,000 hours of watch time. So thanks to Jose Espinal, by the way, follow his channel. The name is Autobahn Drivers. I will post the link below so you guys can follow him. But he texted me right away and said that I have to achieve both of those. I have to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I have to reach the 4,000 hours of watch time. What? Which is a tough requirement, but I have to thanks a lot of the all support that I'm receiving, comments, the emails. I'm really excited. Didn't think that it was gonna be that quick, and at least the main goal was to answer questions and help other people, and I'm doing that. especially this is just a hobby. I'm not trying to be famous or something like that. But thank you for the support, and yeah, I mean, the sky's the limit, right? Moving on, the second thing that I'm going to talk about is the Frank build. Everything and all the steps and all the parts that I needed to accomplish the swap, you can find it online. You can either go to clubrsx.com. I'll post the link down below, and you can Google Frank build. There's a lot of like old material there. If it's needed, I'll do another video. I'm not pulling the engine back out of the RSX, at least not here in Germany. Once I go back to the States in a couple months, I have to pull the engine out anyway, and I will cover more material about that. But you can go to Club RSX. There's a lot of step-by-step and pictures and all that. And you want the RSX Bible, which is the Helms manual. You can find it in Club RSX as well, and that helped me a lot, especially with the torque specs. And it shows you step by step how to pull the head cylinder, intake manifold, and you can just go from there. Something that I didn't mention in the Acura RSX video was the goals for this car. The goals for this car are I want to make a turbo using a Sidewinder manifold. The turbo, either I want to go to precision 6262, which is the same setup that Spaz had in his RSX, or a Borg Warner or something like that. I haven't decided if I want external wastegate or the internal wastegate, but everything that I did in the car was aiming for that. I found the RX-7, and if you haven't seen it, go check the other videos that I posted about the RX-7. But yeah, I found the RX-7, and then I had to stop putting money on the RSX and then trying to fix the RX-7 in order to pass inspection and be able to drive it. But this car, if God let me, I'm gonna make a turbo, and the channel is gonna benefit of all the step-by-steps that I'm gonna do to finish the car. And lastly, but not less important, I'm on my way to send the license plate to the winner of last week, which was Juan Maldonado. He was able to guess what I was trying to do to get more subscribers. The step back that I had was the first place that I went to make the stickers with the logo. They lately gave me labels, like paper labels, all pixelated, all messed up. So I have to go online and start looking for companies, and I needed to wait a couple days. But I got the stickers, I got the license plates, I got everything, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So what do you think about this? I mean, I kind of like it, and it's gonna be, you know, this is the real German license plate, and I decided to do hashtags with my logo on it. I feel like, I think that this look pretty good. This one is more for rotary engines guys. They will know what brap brap means. And for the Honda guys, I made this one, hashtag K series. Like I said before, comment below and let me know what you guys think about this. I'm excited to present you the license plate. Here in Germany, it's a big thing, if you go to the castles, if you go to different places, first thing that you see is a license plate with the name of the thing that you're looking, location or the castle, etc. And I collect, I have a couple. Every time that I go different places, I just buy a license plate to put in my garage. You can either buy it for a gift, somebody that like cars, for yourself. You can hang them, you can put it on the shelf, or if you have another idea what you can do with those, post it in the comment section down below. There's gonna be different ways that you can get them. One of them, sweet takes. I'm gonna just figure it out, and then whoever subscribe or whoever, I don't know, I'll see what I can do. But that's one of the ways that you can get them if you're interested, or you can get them, buy them. I'm gonna post them, and if you have PayPal, you can get them. And just let me know, text me, send me an email, what are you interested on, what hashtag you want to do. The maximum characters are gonna be 9, and that's including the hashtag if you want to add the hashtag. But again, if you have more questions, just let me know. The price are gonna be $25 each, and yeah, just comment below, let me know if you guys like it, what else can I do, and help me to find different ways to get more subscribers and try to be competitive in the YouTube world. And guys, that's it for today's episode. Don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, especially subscribe, and press the bell button so you will know when I bring more stuff. If you want me to bring something to the channel, if you want me to talk about something, just let me know. Send me an email, or follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. I have Twitter now, and all of them are, you add Tony West DIY, Instagram.com/Tony West DIY, same with Facebook, and so on and so forth. And thank you for your support. I'm glad that I can help. See you guys.